Hey guys, if you're thinking about moving to the North Dallas area, you might want to consider Windsong Ranch right here in Prosper, Texas. I mean, this place is amazing. They even have their own 5-acre lagoon with white sand beaches. How cool is that?
It is cool, but they have so many other amenities that we cannot wait to show you as well. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video and we are going to show you everything you need to know about Windsong Ranch. Commons is a primary hub for resident events. It's a great place to hang out and meet others. You'll see kids playing on the playgrounds. They even have tennis, pickleball, and basketball courts, as well as an amazing fitness center.
They also have a resort-style pool, lap pool, and children's splash park. One great feature is they have an information center that'll give you all the details of the social activities that's going on within the community. If you're new to the area and want to meet new people, this will be the place to hang out. Hey, so if you're looking for everything Dallas, the good, the bad, and everything in between, you've come to the right channel. Be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to stay on top of all our videos that we put out on a weekly basis. In addition to that, if you want an immediate notification when we drop a video, go ahead and click that notification button and we'll make sure we get it to you as soon as possible.
Okay, now let's talk about location, because Windsong Ranch is in the perfect location. You are about 5 to 10 minutes just north of Frisco and about 30 to 45 minutes north of downtown Dallas. If you want to jump on a plane and go anywhere, you are literally 30 to 45 minutes away from the airport. So everything is pretty much right at your fingertips. The last two amenity centers are currently under construction. That would be the Bridge Amenity Center, and it's going to have a catering kitchen, large seating area with a fireplace. It's going to be a fun spot for gatherings. There will also be amphitheater-style seating areas and then a large pond with additional outdoor seating areas.
Okay, the second amenity center that is under construction is the courthouse. The courthouse will have covered and uncovered racquetball courts, a social gathering area, and my favorite, a beer garden.
Okay, now let's talk about what there is to do around Windsong Ranch. Now, as I said, Windsong Ranch is in Prosper. Most of the entertainment, nightlife, those kind of things are going to be south of here in Frisco or in Dallas. But we do have restaurants close by. We do have shopping. There's grocery stores. There's a medical facility. Cook's Children's Hospital is right behind us. They're building a Costco nearby. They just put in an H-E-B grocery store. If you don't know what H-E-B grocery store is, you've got to look it up because it is huge in Texas. Anyway, let's go back to shopping. So shopping, most of your shopping is going to be done as far as retail clothes, those kind of things in Frisco or Plano. You have Legacy West, tons of shopping. You have the Star, Jerry Jones World, also in Frisco. So there's lots to do, lots of things to keep you busy.
And we get calls, text, and email every single day from people just like you looking to buy a home in Dallas. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from now, whether you're moving across town or across the country, be sure to go ahead and give us a call, text, or email. All of our contact information is below, and we want to make sure your move is exactly what you want it to be.
Now let's talk about what sets Windsong Ranch apart from all the other master plan communities in the DFW Metroplex. The lagoon. It is a 5-acre freshwater lagoon, and it brings a Caribbean-like lifestyle to Windsong Ranch. The residents absolutely love it. You can relax in the lounge chairs on one of the 3 white sandy beaches and just sit back and enjoy while your kids play in the water. They have a children's play area, they have beach volleyball, they also have kayaks and paddle boards that you can rent, and I almost forgot to mention, they have a pavilion with grilling stations. You really have to see it to believe it. I also want to hit on the fact that Windsong Ranch has over 600 acres of green open space, 30 plus miles of hike and biking trails, mountain bike courses, a community garden, dog parks, and an 18-hole disc golf course.
All right, this is what everybody is concerned with. Let's talk a little bit about the price points. So the price point starting in Windsong Ranch is roughly $800,000, and it goes all the way to $2.5 million. Now, if you're looking for something with less maintenance or perhaps something smaller, they do offer villas or townhomes within the community, and those start at roughly $450,000 and they go up from there. Now, the tax rate is 2.18. There's no MUD, there's no PID. However, you do have an HOA of roughly $180 a month, but you get a resort in your community. You gotta love it.
Now let's take a look at a couple of my favorite builders in Windsong Ranch. We'll start with Coventry. This is a Hamlin floor plan. It is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath with a 3-car garage. It's approximately 4,300 square feet and it is stunning. Coventry currently has homes ranging from $642,000 to $1.2 million. The $642,000 is going to be an inventory home, and the square footage ranges from 2,500 square feet to 4,500 square feet. The next home we're going to look at is a Southgate home. It's in their 71-foot lots, and we're going to look at the model home, which is a Hudson 2. It's a 2-story, almost 4,200 square feet, and it has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, a 3-car garage, a study, a game room, and a first-floor media room. Southgate homes range in size from 3,600 square feet to approximately 4,300 square feet, and the price range is $989,000 to approximately $1,150,000.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Now remember, whether it's 9 or 90 days, whether you're moving across the city or across the country, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We would love to hop on a Zoom call and make your transition as seamless as possible. Until next time, you guys take care.